In this presentation, I want us to discuss about how to repair a broken relationship. I know people go through difficulties when relationships break. So I want to take you through several steps that can help you mend your relationship either in marriage or not. 1. Face and embrace your differences. I know that acknowledging differences can be one way of helping to mend your broken relationship. You and your partner should genuinely express the most difficult feelings at the most difficult times, where you choose not to hide vulnerability. Number 2, practice effective communication skills. You need to carve out regular time for dialogue about concerns. And it is actually good to state your thoughts in terms of behavior without judgment, attack, or claim. Number 3, love your partner the way he or she wants to receive love. It is an open fact to state that giving love the way your partner enjoys receiving it is the greatest gift of all. Receiving love the way you enjoy it isn't bad either. Number 4, express gratitude for the things your partner is supposed to do. Every drop of love you express nurtures and feeds the relationship. For example, when your partner has cooked a good meal, it is advisable that you express gratitude and say thank you. That was a good meal. Number 5, talk to others. If you find that you are having differences and relationships are broken and you cannot deal with it yourselves, you may want to keep this close with friends or family, choosing someone or a number of people that both of you trust and feel you can chat openly with. That may really help. Number 6, educate yourself. There are numerous resources and books you can read to help with this depending on your circumstances. There are good books that can really help you. Number 7, take full responsibility if you are at fault. If you know that you are the one who has wronged your partner, it is advisable that you take full responsibility. So it is important to take full responsibility for what happened and be understanding of how your behavior hurt your partner. In this case, you need to avoid being defensive. I repeat again, avoid being defensive. Number 8, give your partner the opportunity to win your trust back. I know this may be one of the most difficult things to do, but we need to give our partner the opportunity to win your trust back, and winning it back can be very difficult. So while you have every right to feel hurt and angry, but trust can never be restored until the person whose trust was broken allows their partner a chance to earn it back. And you know, trust can be actually won. Number 9, seek professional help. If there has been a significant breach, you have issues and you really feel that somebody has really wronged you, your partner has really wronged you, consider working together with a qualified person who specializes in relationships and somebody who can provide guidance for healing. Number 10, manage your expectations. Being honest and upfront about your expectations from the beginning can actually prevent things from going wrong down the road. Number 11, learn to compromise. All relationships require give and take. When you are living in close quarters, being accommodating on the other person's needs and preferences without sacrificing your own can help foster more happiness and fulfillment. Number 12, spend time with friends outside of your relationship. Spending time with friends can have a powerful effect on your personal mental health and can help strengthen your personal identity. Number 13, speak from your heart. In order for your partner to truly hear you, it is important to communicate what you are really feeling below all the tension. 14, actively listen. Actively listen. If you catch yourself forming a rebuttal in your head as your partner is talking, then you are not really listening. So the advice is actually actively listen to your partner. Number 15, say thank you for the small things. When your partner do something that is kind of helpful, even if it's just tidying up the kitchen after a meal, it's advisable to just verbally say thank you. Or you need to thank him or her for that kind of gesture. 16, have fun together. Setting aside some time, even just a few hours, to go do something out of the ordinary can make a big difference in life. And those are the ways that really helps to make broken relationship. 17, maintain intimacy and communication. That is to say that you need to establish how to take care of each other emotionally. And lastly, pray. You need to set aside some time for joint prayers with your partner. Also, pray for one another. That marks the end of this presentation, where I was discussing and giving you some few tips on how to repair a broken relationship. If you like this video, kindly subscribe. You can like, you can share with your friend, or you can join a membership by paying a membership fee of $2.49 a month. When you become a member, you'll be able to sample quite a number of videos whenever they are released. Thank you.